In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and restore changes in Lovable. First, open Lovable and head to the home dashboard. This is your starting point for everything you do in the platform. If you're already logged in, you should land on the dashboard automatically. If not, sign in and navigate to the main home view so you can see your workspace at a glance. From here, click on All Projects. This takes you to a complete list of your projects, which is especially helpful if you're managing multiple apps or experiments. If you have a lot of projects, take a moment to visually scan for the one you want. The list view makes it easy to confirm you're about to open the right project before you dive into the code. Next, click on the project you want to work with. This opens the project's overview page. Think of this page as the control room for your app. It gives you quick access to settings, deployments, and most importantly for today, your code. Now, click on Code. This opens the code editor inside Lovable. Give the editor a second to load. Once it does, you'll see your files in the sidebar and the active file in the main pane. Make sure your cursor is inside the editor so your keyboard shortcuts apply to your code rather than the browser window. To undo a change, use the standard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and Z. On a Mac, press Command and Z. Each press steps you back one change at a time so you can tap it repeatedly to move through your recent edits. This works for text edits, deletions, and even formatting adjustments you just made. If nothing appears to happen, click inside the editor to focus it and try again. If you want to restore something you just undid, use Redo. On Windows, press Ctrl and Y. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and Z. Redo reapplies the last change you reversed, and just like undo, you can repeat the shortcut to walk forward through your recent history until you're exactly where you want to be. A helpful tip, Redo is only available right after using undo. Once you make a new change, the Redo stack resets and starts tracking from that point. As you work, keep an eye on the editor's change indicators so you know which files have unsaved edits. Undo and Redo operate within the Active Editor tab, so make sure you're in the correct file before stepping through your history. That's it. Navigate to your project, open the code view, and use those keyboard shortcuts to confidently undo and restore changes in Lovable.